What's good, everyone? Today I have an early unboxing of the Jordan 1 UNC Toes. I got my pair straight from Nike during their shop drop that they had July 6th. Immediately getting into the box, we have a custom Nike Jordan 1 box. Usually the boxes are black with red. This box is UNC blue with black. Love when we get custom boxes for our shoes. This box matches the shoes perfectly. The box reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in University Blue, Black, White. So I actually never saw these sneakers in person before, so we're gonna get into it at the exact same time. We have simple, basic white paper. So like I was saying, I got my pair straight from Nike on July 6th shop drop. For those of you who do not believe early reviews, I'll put up a screenshot of my order from Nike. This shoe will release July 22nd for a retail price of $180. The sneaker comes in full family sizing, so if you want a pair, you definitely can be able to get one, because I'm hearing that there are 600,000 pairs of the UNC Toes coming out. From what I've heard, Nike released 100,000 of that 600,000 pairs in their shop drop, so there should be 500,000 more pairs. So if you want these sneakers, you can definitely be able to do your due diligence, put the work in, and find a sneaker store or boutique to get your hands on this pair. But also keep in mind that these sneakers will be dropping on the sneakers app on July 22nd, but I definitely would not put all my eggs in one basket, because if you've been trying to buy sneakers on the sneakers app, you know it's very, very hard, and 9 times out of 10, you are not hitting. The pair I have right here in my hands is a US size 11, and normally I am a size 12. So if I will be keeping these, I'm not too sure yet, but if I do decide to keep them, I definitely need to do a size swap to get a size 12 or a size 12 and a half. Jordan brand gave us black laces and they gave us UNC blue laces. For me, I think I'm gonna keep the black laces in there. For my rule of thumb when it comes to Jordan 1s, I say whatever the color their tongue is, that's the color lace I'm gonna put in, just so it meshes and blends well. I love that Jordan brand gives us more than one pairs of laces with their Jordan 1s. But what I do hate is having to lace them up myself. It takes so much time, and you also have to cut the hole in the little lace tag right here. I hate doing that. It's very time consuming. Now if I want to wear the shoes, I have to put a little bit of more time in, do it earlier than the day before. But other than that, I love having more than one lace option. I just wish that the lace option they would put in the shoe, I didn't have to lace up myself, but I understand why they don't lace them up for you. Because if you were to do a lace swap, you would have to unlace the whole entire shoe and then put in the new lace. But either way, time is needed. I will be doing a full review on these sneakers, so you will have to like, share, comment, and subscribe to get that full review. It should be dropping tomorrow. I'm gonna record that right after this, but I'm gonna give out a quick little overview. In terms of leather quality, the leather is like regular Jordan brand leather, nothing crazy, nothing sensational, just like simple GR Jordans. If you want to get your hands on a pair and you end up doing so, you will not be impressed with the leather on this sneaker. Although the quality is meh, I do feel like these will sell out, but let me not say that, because now in terms of a sneaker game, the resale market, or just the market in shoes, is very different right now. It's something that I haven't seen in a while, but now you can never tell if a shoe will or will not sell out, if it will sit or if it will sell, because buyers are just really, really fickle. And also, we're getting sneaker releases, maybe 5 pairs a week. People can't keep up with the market. People can't buy all these shoes. So right now, consumers are trying to figure out what they should and should not buy. But nonetheless, this is a very nice sneaker, a very nice colorway. I do not have any UNC blue Jordan 1s or UNC blue Jordans in general. So I will have to think about if I want to do a size swap and get my size and keep this in the collection. But stay tuned for the full review. My name is Chris Claxton, and this is my platform, Something Light Media. All my sneaker videos are from my sneaker series, Kicks Are for Chris, because like I said, my name is Chris, and kicks are definitely for me. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn post notifications on so you get notified when my early review of the UNC Toes drop tomorrow. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I just checked in. I'm about to record the next video, but I'm checking out. Thank you for watching once again. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.